Look at that. Got an egg, some bacon in there, some meat, and this is all good. And it's a keto bun. And it's healthy. And I don't even feel guilty about it. We're making our eggs ready for the breakfast. Adding some bell peppers, ham, and some other stuff.
Yeah. The Rocco could only tell.
I know, right?
No. I'm getting cramps. One egg is cracked.
We're using cauliflower to make the rice. Also cauliflower to make oatmeal. Look at that. Pretty good. Some salmon. Our fish for fish tacos. The meatloaf. Got some more meat right there. We're back. I hope you guys enjoyed that skit of all the meal prepping. All that food is so delicious and yet very healthy. Before I end this video, I do want to talk a little bit about keto. In the beginning of the video, I did show on the protein shake that I make in the mornings. That is only if you don't have, you know, the scrambled eggs for breakfast. So usually I take that coffee / protein shake as my breakfast if I don't have eggs. They're a little bit similar with the protein. I know I probably put it somewhere there on how many grams of protein and fat and carbs are in total on both of those meals. So yeah, so if you guys are not doing the shake, you can, you know, go ahead and do the eggs or vice versa. So yeah, so with keto, basically it's just a very low sugar, a very low carb and no sugar type of, you know, dieting, I guess you can say. Um, Usually it is, you want to keep it at 20 grams of net carbs, no more than that. So it's 20 grams or less. The way you calculate that, so basically with food, you want to calculate the carbs that it has in total. And then if there's fiber added to that, then you're going to subtract the carbs from the fiber, and then that's your total net carbs. Now, if it's processed foods, then you're going to subtract the carbs from the fiber and the sugar alcohols, and then they'll give you your total net carbs there. Um, I'm learning as I'm going, so please bear with me. So far being in it, it's pretty good. You feel good. I feel full, especially with meal prepping. Shout out to my soon-to-be mother-in-law for showing all those ideas. She has books on top of books with keto and learning new meals. It's really cool. I like it. You learn a lot of new stuff, new ways to actually, cook things. I honestly never knew what to make with cauliflower, and there's like a bunch of million recipes. I'm like, holy crap, I need to learn that stuff. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do want more of the keto, go ahead and leave a comment down below and give that thumbs up. I'll be more than happy to. You guys can join along with me. That way I feel like I'm not alone. So yeah, I've heard many good things about this keto dieting. A lot of people lost so much weight. I'm doing it not so much for, not only for my wedding dress, but also for my health. I do want me and Abe to, be on that healthy lifestyle and, soon show our family, the way to live. Of course, it's fine, with cheating here and there. It's really not that bad, as long as, we get back up into eating right. And as far as knowing, how much to take in, like for instance, for me, or actually it could be for anyone. From what I know with the measurements of how much to take in, it is, I believe, 70% fat, 20% protein, and then 5 to 10% carbs. So make sure you keep those carbs very, very low, because that's what gets you the most. Which ketosis is to burn all that body fat, while you take in a little bit of carbs here and there. And so yeah, that's what the progress is for, to get up there. And so for those of you that are in this keto dieting, I give you props. We got this. And guys, just stay motivated. If you really just want this, for you, and you want to better yourself in this, just keep on going. Stay motivated. Don't give up. I know as much as you want to just have a cheat every day, but know that that food it's going to be there every day. So once you hit up your goal, you know, after you hit up your goal, have those little cheat days. That food is still going to be there. And I always say keto is just like a marriage. Once you cheat, it's game over. While you even cheat, you're just having a pleasure of that food for a few minutes, and you feel miserable the rest of the day of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot. And please give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any recipes on that, that's keto friendly. Please comment down below. I would love to try that out. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace. Stacks on stacks. Ready for the meal prep.